right, let's see if we can do this. Okay. Let's have a look at this first. Today market was, well, the morning was good. US session has been flat, I think, and yeah, a bit crazy. Let's look at this. Got some pictures. This is from the week. I'm not really sure which day anymore. So this is one morning open. It's just some examples of me downloading my brain, my ideas, and that's all it is really. So here you see two charts from my Seed Trader platform, side by side, from EU morning session. Not today, it's from the week. I'm not entirely sure which day it was. Anyway, so so the point is like this, right? Here we see, let's go blue, let's go this crayon thing. This blue level is a high from another time frame. I don't remember if it's 5 or 15 minutes, but it's either one of those two. And we got on the low side, we got this as the level and this as the level as well, right? And on the other side, on the UK 100 FTSE, we got this box. The box is Asia range, and this rejection coincides with a level over here that you don't see on the chart, but it's there. So what we have at the open, let's go like this. At the open, we got this first one big bar rejecting previous high, going up, rejecting also the level, and we came below into the range, and I honestly shorted it right here with the stop above. And when we got to, notice how the bars look, how I played this. This one is used already because of this. This one is free, but it's small. I didn't see it. If you can't see it, it's not there, right? Remember? So this one is the obvious gap, and that was what I was looking at, because, well, it's kind of it's kind of hard to describe, but this is the size on my screen, right? Anyway, so yeah, so at the point of time that we get to this level, this bar forms. First we have power, expanding power, and another one, and rejecting, and we're picking up whatever is in here, right? And when I saw that, I thought to myself, you know what? It's the first trade. We passed 1, 2, 3, so 6 minutes of at the open, at the DAX open, and I'm just gonna trail my stop down because, hey, why not? Thank you very much, right? And I had the stop at next liquidity level, which I see now is wrong. It's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. But anyway, TP was here, and yeah, I trailed it, and we hit TP. That was it. And later, this was, well, you see, 380 to 300, so it's 80 points move. And later the market went lower. I think we went as low, maybe 200, just over 200, but you know, whatever. It just fell down, right? And so similar kind of story on the FTSE, really. And we reject something within the box. Something in here is rejected, and I think this was some kind of recent high. We've been going up, and with this huge big rejection, I just, you know, entered short on it, and we came down to, we have 1, 2 bars, and we came down to this low, which I think was the point where we got the power from here. And so notice it pierces this thing, and it was that I saw on the chart, because, oh yeah, so we're touching the area that should be strong, and we are going to create Harami formation, which is breaking. I'm not gonna give that back, especially at the same time, just at the open. I mean, come on, thank you very much. 2 trades placed, 2 trades in profit, and I'm just locking it and walking away, right? And so yeah, that was this one. Pretty much not much to talk about. Let's see, We got next chart. Yeah, so after these two trades played out, you see the time here. I put some trades on. This was the downfall thing, and I came here to the market somewhere here, like it's 9:10, and I was looking at this, thinking to myself, you know what? This downfall has some weakness. On this chart, we got the move down, another push down, which is kind of rejecting here. And remember, I got this chart and the other chart at the same time. So this is GU. I got EU as well on another chart, and it's very similar pattern. But on the EU chart, I got the RSI. This time I had it, so I noticed that there was divergence on both of them, and so we got switch pattern because double low, and this is the high. We close above it here, so we switch here, and I entered long, and I don't remember if it was this chart or the other EU or GU, but together I took out 65 pips from these two, and I thought to myself, you know, we switched. I entered a bit early. I think I entered here actually, and I added some when we came up. We came back into it again. I think I added some maybe here. And yeah, similar thing happened up here, but it's not as apparent because, well, it's before. The power normally comes here on my time zone, but definitely at 9. But at 8, it definitely comes, right, the power. So you see flat bars, now it starts to pick up. Anyway, so yeah, this is one chart, and the other one is EU. Notice, very obvious divergence display. This is RSI 14 or something. Doesn't really matter. Point is, I saw the chart showing me the thing, and I put the RSI on, and I was not surprised, but it was nice confirmation, right? So I normally don't use these things, but I mean, come on. I put it there, and yeah, that's what it told me. So that's why I typed in divergence like this. So kind of similar story. Price really falls down for whatever reason, and here, and then down here, and then down here with a huge spike going, nope, thank you very much, I don't want to go, and kind of rejecting this, and maybe this closes below, but no. And so this is the high, and we go above it here. We switch to power up. Yeah. So yes, and I can't scroll because it's a picture, but I added on the switch, I added a long instantly with a stop at this point, because the logic was this is the last push down, last white block. This should be strong, or this should be strong, and in this case I selected this one, and that's why I put my stop. And I just, you know, we're switching, I'm grabbing this, I'm gonna take this home, it's a nice day, you know, and so 4 wins in a row, and maybe it was this pair actually, I added another one. Anyway, so there was 65 pips from the FX pairs taken out, and you can clearly see, like, it's 110 and it's 130 here, so like this move is 20 points, right? It's not, well, it's nice with 65 points, but come on, it's not super much. Anyway, so that was like kind of logic there, and we did not hit this, I think, but I did trail it up, and when I had the 3 positions on the FX together, all in profit, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna call it. I don't know what's going on here. I just manually closed them all. Yeah, similar story with the switching power happened here as well, but it's not as apparent. Maybe easier to see on another chart, but we got like the move up, right, down, up, down, and you see it was changed here. Also, you see that, well, okay, if this was the switching point here, we got the gap here, right? And if this is the gap, then okay, from here to here, right? Then we got this white bar, or this one, or them together, displaying power down, rejecting off this block, which is, I want to see that, I expect that, or with a pending short below this one, or with a pending short below this, or just off this thing. That's a similar kind of story, right? Up, down, power, and then rejecting of it, and we go down. Anyway, yeah, that's some of my brain downloaded for today. Yeah, I think that's about it. Sometimes you just gotta download the ideas onto YouTube for that only one reason. Yeah. Anyway, so if you like the video, and I'll see you in the markets. That's it.